Travel planning in the digital age, hands-on apps for older adults adventure, my golden spring. Greetings, globetrotters and travel enthusiasts. Would you be ready to plan your next adventure? Let's explore how technology makes travel planning a breeze. From destination guides to booking platforms, interactive maps to local tips. Travel apps are your digital compass, leading you to unforgettable experiences. Flights, accommodations, experiences, book them all at your fingertips. Compare prices, read reviews, and tailor your trip to your tastes. Check in for your flight and download your boarding pass, all from your phone. Skip the lines and start your journey with ease. Currency converters, local transportation options, weather forecasts. Travel apps provide essential tools to navigate new places confidently. Can't decide where to go? Use the digital tour guide feature to explore a city virtually before walking there. Are you worried about language barriers? Translation apps break down these walls, making communication seamless wherever you are. There you have it, travelers. Embrace digital planning, but don't forget to leave room for spontaneous adventures. Happy travels in the digital age.